Many people have asked me how to live in a hotel for a week or more. Here are 5 tips I've discovered from our long-term hotel stays. First, ask for an end or corner room. Rowdy neighbors can be dealt with for a night or two, but a whole week, not so much. Save your sanity and ask for an end or corner room to minimize the number of neighbors you'll have. Second, ask for extras. Ask for extra towels, extra pillows, extra whatever you need to be comfortable in the room. Sometimes you can even request a mini fridge, microwave, or coffee maker if those things don't come standard in your room. There's always a chance the hotel doesn't have them or won't provide them, but it never hurts to ask. Just make sure you also ask if there are any associated fees for those upgrades. Third, keep it clean. A cluttered space is a miserable space. It's important to keep your belongings organized and tidy to maximize the space in your room. Keeping your hotel room organized is a critical sanity saver, and I have another video with some tips on that. Fourth, make breakfast and lunch your biggest meals. If the hotel provides breakfast, eating a big breakfast can help you save money on food throughout the day. This is especially true when you're traveling with kids. If you're going to eat out, make lunch a bigger meal than dinner. Many restaurants offer similar fare for lunch and dinner, but lunch is often much cheaper, so this is an easy way to save money while trying new local restaurants. Fifth, unpack. I know, a week doesn't seem like a long enough time to bother unpacking, just to pack everything up again, right? But in reality, you will waste more time rummaging through your luggage every single day to find your essentials than you will take to unpack your bags one time and pack them back up one time. If you're looking at living in a hotel for a week, be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos that can help. We spend a lot of time in hotels, so I've got a ton of advice.